Alright, what's good traders here? J Profit Forex right here. So I'm actually going to be teaching you guys how you can identify your internal and external structures in the Forex market. A lot of you guys get it wrong when it comes to SMC, as you tend to mark out the wrong structures and leave out the better ones you're supposed to mark out. So I'm actually going to be showing you guys the difference between external and internal structures, and of course the mistake a lot of traders are actually making when it comes to SMC structure markout. Now, first thing first out, let's dive into this and let me use a diagram to illustrate what I mean. Now, of course, you guys know that. Let me take, for instance, rather, that we are in an uptrend. Price is creating higher highs, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and a higher high. Now, you guys are going to see that, or if you go to your chart, rather, you're going to notice that sometimes before market gives us a new higher high, after a higher low creation, before market gives us a new higher high, market tends to print some structures, some kind of little pullbacks before what giving us a break of what market structure. So in this type of scenario, this is where the internal liquidity, this is where the internal structures comes into the market and you people fail to identify this. So we have what we know as the major structures and the internal structures, or our minor structures. Now, if you look at this structure here, this is obviously a bullish structure where we have what here to be our higher low, here is our higher low, and here a higher high, here a higher high. Now, like I was saying, before market breaks a previous high, right, market tends to print some little structures before breaking a previous high, and these are the little structures I'm talking about here. A lot of traders makes the mistake of taking these things or these structures to be your major structures, right? If you're talking about major structure, the last point here before market broke structure is your higher low. Same as this one. Here is your higher low, here is your higher low, higher high, higher high, and a higher high. Okay, so now this is the mistake a lot of traders do, right? Once they see market come all the way and probably take out a previous structure such as this, okay, they will tell you that there is a change of character in the market, and therefore they are looking for selling opportunity. Right now, what are you going to experience? What are you going to see? Because this is a minor structure, it does not really have much power in the Forex market, right? Or when it comes to structures, it does not really have much power. So what people would thinking that this is a change of character, so therefore they are planning to sell the market from this particular point here. Now, what will the market do? Obviously, most of the time, because this is overall bullish trend, market will likely going to react from the supply you marked out, and it will still continue bullish. So learn to identify your internal and external structures, or what we know as the minor and major structures. Now, these structures that forms here, or these minor structures rather, or internal structures, they form before price breaks the original major structure, right? And this is the mistake, like I pointed out here, that a lot of traders make out there. So let's get straight to the chart and let me show you guys an examples of these structures here that I'm talking about. So I don't intend to make the video that long. Let's see what we can achieve within this short while. Okay, now looking at this structure, this is Euro USD, and I'm using 1 minute time frame for reference purpose. I trade the 1 minute time frame only. All right, so let's see what market will do here. So first thing first, we can identify this is a bearish trend. Looking at the trend movement, you can see that this is a bearish trend. This is a lower high, a lower low here, a lower low here, a lower high here, lower low. As you can see how market is printing structures, right? Lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and a lower high, right? Now, if you look at this structure, this is the break of structure point. Okay, good. And here is our another break of structure point. Good. And here is another break of structure point. Here is another break of structure point. Great. Okay, here's another break of structure point. Now, to identify internal and external liquidities, or internal and external structures rather, now this is how to do it. Like I said, these internal structures, they form before market breaks the overall or the original or major structures. An example is here. So these are lower high. This point right here, sorry, let me mark it out. This point right here is a lower high, right? And here is a lower low. here's another lower high. But now you're going to notice that before market broke this previous lower low, what happened? It gave us what? It gave a pullback before what? Breaking structure. Right, so after breaking structure, we had this lower low here, which market pulled all back way to create a lower high. After creating a lower high, we came down to create a lower low. But you're still going to notice that before market created this lower low here, what happened? We had some series of pullback again, right? So these little structures that forms before market breaks structure or breaks the major lows and highs is referred to as internal structures. So for somebody in the SMC market or probably a newbie, this is the mistake they will likely do. Because market broke this internal high here, because market broke this internal high, they will tell you, oh, we have a change of character, and so therefore we are going to be buying from the area of demand, because obviously this is mitigated. So if you're looking for the unmitigated one, even this guy, okay, this is the break of structure here that took out the high, so obviously they should be looking out to buy from here. And what will happen? Like I said, market will react from your area of demand and do what? It will still go against you. Now this is your lower high here, right? And this is your lower low. But now what happened? Before market broke this previous lower low here, what happened? You can notice that market still created what? Another pullback. This is internal structure. So anything that forms, once market is giving you a major push, a major movement, so anything that forms before a major structure break is internal structure. All right, so this is the last point before market broke structure, the last higher low point before market broke structure. That's your major your major area, or your major higher low. Likewise, this gets to be your major higher. So anything that will form before price breaks a structure is your internal internal structure. Okay, so if in case market comes all the way back, gives you a break of structure in this internal structure, you don't see that this is a change of character, and maybe probably try to go and sell from this area of supply. Okay, so you can only consider selling if market takes out the major structure. So what's the major structure? This is your higher low point. So in case maybe market comes all the way and breaks this your major higher low, then you can start looking for bearish opportunities. But you can see even after market takes out this guy here, so let me remove the drawings. So this is the break of structure point, and this pullback here, it formed before market broke this previous low. So meaning that this is an internal structure. So if you can see, as market, imagine say you imagine in a situation that you tried using this as a change of character and probably try buying from an area of demand. So let's look at unmitigated demand. So this guy here, let's say you tried buying from here. What will happen? Market will obviously react from, because this is a demand, market reacted, as you can see. And what happened? You hit stop loss. So after that, we had another break of structure here. So all these moves, right? All these pullbacks that you're seeing, this is a pullback, this is another pullback. All these are internal structures. So always pay attention to them when you are marking out your structures in the Forex market. So I hope this thing actually helps somebody out there. So if you want me to create another massive masterpiece like this, make sure to like this video, make sure to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course leave a like on this video. Comment the next video you want me to drop, or the next educational content you want me to actually drop for you guys next time on this YouTube. So until next time, I'll catch you guys. Peace out.